Ops, wait lang. Huwag ka muna mag-scroll. At syempre, magbibigay muna ako ng ating word of the day. At sagutin natin ang katanungan na ito. Ang sabi dito, it is a clandestine observation of person, place, buildings, and others. Okay, so ano daw tawag natin dito sa clandestine observation ng mga tao, mga lugar, mga building, at iba pa. So tandaan natin class, no, yung tinatanong sa atin dito is clandestine observation. Pag sinabing clandestine, ibig sabihin nun patago. From the word letter C. Yun yung magiging mnemonic natin from the letter C rather. C, ibig sabihin covert or close. Ibig sabihin, patago na pag-oobserba. Saan daw yan sa baba? Letter A, surveillance ba yan? Letter B, casing. Letter C, tailing. Or letter D, shadowing. Tandaan natin class, napaka-importante na malaman natin kung yung tanong ay specific or generic ba. Tandaan natin yung katanungan natin is generic yan. Kasi sabi niya clandestine observation of person. Okay, so ibig sabihin, the correct answer dyan is surveillance. Kasi the rest na pagpipilian, Bravo, Charlie, tsaka Delta, that is only a kinds or types of surveillance natin. Kapag specific na yung tanong natin, class, pag sinabi sa atin na it is an surveillance of person or vehicle, that is considered tailing or shadowing. Okay, kapag po ang tinatanong sa atin ay surveillance of person or vehicle, sagot po natin is tailing or shadowing. Pareha lang po kasi yung Charlie tsaka Delta natin. And syempre kapag tinatanong sa atin, surveillance naman of building or mga kumbaga installation, visual inspection of installation, that is called casing. Pero ang sabi kasi dito, generic sabi niya, o clandestine observation of person, place, buildings, and others. Ibig sabihin nilahat niya. Kaya the correct answer walang iba kundi yung ating alpha, that's called surveillance. And syempre yung ating casing class that is considered, sabi ko nga, visual inspection of buildings or installation, that is considered in police term or police parlance po natin, casing. Pero pagdating po sa military word, that is considered reconnaissance sa tinatawag natin. Okay? So sana nakatulong siya nito at syempre, ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel Damasor Schuman, Villa Easter Bulacan sa CBRC National Tour and Registered Technologies. Nagsabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulat, and share, sabi ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.